Hello everyone. Today's session I am going to discuss about cloud formation. So cloud formation is an infrastructure as a code tool that used to automate and manage AWS deployment. We can create AWS infrastructure using simple text file called JSON template. So why we are using cloud formation? If we want to create lot of resources at a time, so if we create through AWS console, it will be time consuming. So we can create these resources using JSON template. So the group of resources are called cloud formation stack. Now I am going to show a lab session. I am going to download a JSON editor called Atom Editor. I downloaded and I already installed. So I am going to file. I am going to settings and I am going to install and I am going to add cloud formation package I am installing. So this already I installed this package I installed. So I am going to create a project I want to create. So I'm going to file and I am going to adding a project folder in the C colon. I am selected this project one folder I selected and I want to create. So now I want to create a new file I want to create. So the file name I am giving, I am going to create a VPC. I am creating vpc.json. So I am going to create a VPC. So I am typing here start and I am giving enter. We can see the template will be created. And I am writing VPC here. So and I am giving enter. So the syntax automatically will be coming. So I am going to write here VPC1. So and I am going to write this address. So I'm going to create a VPC in this range and header block I am giving and the tag I am not using. So I am removing the tag session and I want to create a VPC. So I am going to save this template and I can go to cloud formation, AWS cloud formation, and I can create a stack and I am specifying the template is ready. So I want to upload a file. So I already created the template. So vpc.json template I am selecting and I am giving next and I am giving a stack name and I am giving next. So we can see that I am going to create a VPC from this JSON template. So the VPC name, CADIR, everything I mentioned in the JSON file. So I am giving a next and creating this. Creating it. Now we can see that it is creating in progress now. So I can go to the VPC and I can verify this. So I'm going to AWS console and I'm going to VPC and we can see that VPC is going to be created in this range. So this VPC is now created from this template. So when I check the template, we can see that this template having different sections, template format, format, version, description, metadata, parameter, mapping, everything. So we can check each of the sections by going to a document. So I'm going to check AWS cloud formation template. So if I check this cloud formation template anatomy document, it will show describe about each sections. So each sections are described here. So resources section is a required section. So all other sections are optional. So now I created a VPC. Now I want to create one EC2 instance. So I am going to create another project folder I am adding. So I am going to the project 2 folder and I want to create a template file. So already one template is already there. So we can see that in this I created a I'm going to create a EC2 instance. So I specified the key name and this instance type image ID, everything is specified here. So we can also see this, it is available in the project2 folder. So I'm going to the project2 folder and I can see this. So I'm going to create a EC2 instance using this template. So I can open with the Wetpad and I can see this template file I can see from here. So I want to create this EC2 instance. So I will go to CloudFormation. So I will create a stack and I will specify the template file. So I am going to upload this template file. I'm choosing the file and I am selecting this is template for EC2 instance. I am selecting and I am giving a nest and I am giving a stack name and everything I am giving nest and I am creating. So we can see this stack is creating. Stack is mainly a group of resource. So in this case, we can see that one EC2 instance I am going to create. So I can check in the EC2 console and we can check it. So there is one EC2 instance is going to create. So the instance we are creating using the template. So we can see this new resource is provisioning, initializing. So we can see that this EC2 instance is creating through this template. So this is a very basics about CloudFormation templates. Thanks for watching.